Have you ever added someone on Telegram and worried they could see your real phone number? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to hide your phone number in under 2 minutes. By default, Telegram app uses your phone number to connect you with contacts, but the same number can be visible to strangers, group members, or anyone who has your number saved. If you value your privacy, this is one of the first settings you should change on your Telegram. Open your Telegram application and tap on Settings at the bottom right. After Settings, tap on Privacy and Security. Under Privacy and Security, look for phone number under the Privacy section and tap on it. You can see here, who can see my phone number? Select Nobody, and when you select Nobody, it's going to toggle another option, who can find me by phone number. You can select everybody or my contact. So for privacy, select my contact, and if you select my contact, you can also add an exception here. Always allow, you can add users that will have access to your phone number on Telegram, or users that shouldn't have access to your phone number on Telegram. Those users are users in your contact. So when you're done, you tap on Save. So with that, you control who have access to your phone number on Telegram and who doesn't have access to your phone number on Telegram. Now, another thing I want to show you is the username. And the username is the trick that makes all of this actually useful. Once your phone number is hidden, people need another way to add you on Telegram, and that's where username comes in. Now, in order for you to set username on Telegram, go back to your main settings, and under the main settings, tap on Account, where you see Number, Username, and Bio. Under your account, select Add Username. So here, you're going to type in your username after t.me, which is telegram.me, the shortened link for Telegram on the web. So go ahead and tap on the username to impute the username. For instance, I'm going to impute out to Mason, and the username is available. So tap on Save here to save the username. With this set, people can now contact you directly on your Telegram via your username, people who do not have your phone number. Here are a few things you should look out for after these settings. First, if you are in a group chat, some older members of your group chat may have already saved your phone number before you change these settings. These settings that you've just changed only affect new contacts going forward. Secondly, hiding your phone number does not hide your username or profile photo. So if privacy is your ultimate goal, review those changes also. And that's it, guys. Your phone number is now hidden, and you now have a safer way for people to reach you. If this helped, kindly tap the subscribe icon for more quick tech tips like this one. I'll see you in my next video.